I'll be telling you 5 best ways to make money online right now. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orinn and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So on number 5 we have freelancing. Being a freelancer means you're doing freelance services. You can go online and do copywriting, video editing, transcribing. The opportunities are endless. There are tons of options and you will easily be able to find something that you're good at and you can offer that to someone or a business. You can also do something that does not require any skills. For example, if you're someone who does not think they have enough skill sets to do something, or you just want to do something easy, then you can become a virtual assistant. To become a virtual assistant, you really need nothing. You are simply helping someone out, particularly with whatever they want. And in most cases, these are some of the admin tasks that someone asks you to do for them, and they are usually very easy. They might ask you to send someone an email or make a call, or maybe help out with their social media to keep a track of what's going on or something like that. The jobs are pretty easy usually, and this can also pay you a decent amount. The most convenient thing about this job would be that everything happens virtually and you never even have to meet your boss. A virtual assistant usually starts with $5 per hour, and if this is a part-time client, then you work 20 hours a week, which would make you around $100 a week, which is $400 a month. 20 hours a week would be around 4 hours per day, and that's just with one client and when you are a beginner. If you consider full-time clients, then you work 40 hours a week, which would make you around $200 a week, and that's around $800 per month, which is not bad. You can start with $5 per hour and you can increase up to $25 per hour or even more sometimes gradually with time, when you have more experience and you get better at the job. Alright, next up we have selling extra items. This is a no-brainer. This just simply means that you're selling the extra items that you already have at home. We all have extra things at home that we have never used, or maybe we don't need them anymore, and what better way to make money with no money by selling the things that you already have at home. You can start this by just going to Facebook Marketplace and selling on there. You can go to Facebook Marketplace and list your items that you have at home that you don't want anymore, and you can actually list them at whatever price you want. For example, if you have a perfume and you got it as a gift and you never had to even pay anything to get it, and you have never used it and you maybe will not use it, you can simply go to the Facebook Marketplace and list the perfume for maybe $30 or $40 and simply sell it there. Even if you have bought something and you want to resell it, you can sell it at a good price. Once you list the items, you will start to receive views and offers, and they would usually come and pick this up. But if they want this to be delivered after they want to purchase it, then you can charge the extra for the delivery as well. I would say this marketplace is great because it almost has no fees, unlike eBay, which you have to pay 10%, and then you'll also have the PayPal fees, which is kind of a lot. Here is an exercise for you. Look around the house for 30 minutes and see what you can find to sell. If you can find 10 items to sell for $10 each, you can easily make $100. Alright, the next one is influencer management. In today's world, almost everyone is an influencer, or at least aspire to be one, with some niche or the other. Be it on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, the number is only increasing by the day. With the massively growing influencer industry, almost every influencer now needs help to manage and respond to their emails. They need help for someone to manage their brand deals and sponsorships. Influencers get offers from all different kinds of brands every single day. Their DMs are usually full, their inboxes are usually full, and it can get very overwhelming. Unfortunately, they are not able to respond back to all of them, and that can make them leave a lot of money on the table. So that's where you as an influencer manager comes in. You just help them by answering all their emails, close brand deals for them, and keep them up to date. Typically, influencer managers would earn a 10 to 15% commissions from the deals. If you want to earn a higher commission, then you can reach out to several different brands for the influencers, and if you get a brand deal, then you can earn 20% commission from that. But even with 10 to 15% commission just for answering their emails or calls, that's also not a bad place to start. For example, if you close a deal with a brand and that brand pays the influencer $10,000 for a video, then you can make $1,000 to $1,500 in commission. You can easily reach out to TikTokers and YouTubers and explain your offer. You just simply need to be very professional in your emails and reach out to them and see what they respond. Usually they are also looking for these kind of deals, so it usually always works out. You should be able to find their emails on their social media very easily. This business honestly has a lot of potential, and if you do it right, it can be a very good source of income. Alright, so on number 2 we have affiliate marketing. So this is a great way to make money with no money, without even having to create a product yourself or even start a business yourself. If you're new to affiliate marketing, here is how it works. You join an affiliate network or an affiliate program and you sell products which are already in that program, and when you do that, you earn a commission. It's very simple to understand. So as an example, Amazon has an affiliate program. So for example, you join this affiliate program and your commission is 20%. So if your affiliate commission is 20%, that means that you get paid 20% for every time you sell a product. For example, you choose to promote the Beats headphones and it costs $100, and you are promoting this to your followers or your family and friends on your social media. So when someone purchases this product with your recommendation, which is your unique link that you will be promoting with, you will earn a commission of 20%. It means you will earn $20 from each sale every time someone uses your link to purchase. Basically, you're referring a product or service of a different company by sharing it on your blog, your social media, or your website if you have one. Each time someone makes a purchase through your unique link and your recommendation, you earn a commission. I do suggest to choose a product that you can resonate with and that will make sense for you to promote. You don't want to sell something or promote something that maybe you will never use or you will never have anything to do with. For example, if you're a man and if you choose to promote eyelashes, that would be really odd and difficult for you to promote it to your followers and even to your family and friends. My recommendations for affiliate networks to join for beginners would be ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a great place to get started for your affiliate journey if you're new. Especially what I like is the link that you will be given will have a 30-day validity, which means that if someone clicks your link and within 30 days they make that purchase, you still receive the commission. And not only that, you can also earn commissions from any purchases that they make within those 30 days. So once you head to the Amazon Associates website, you'll scroll right to the bottom and you will find Become an Affiliate. And all you have to do is click and join and get started. And even apart from all these affiliate networks, you can choose to be an affiliate for any other brand. For example, if you use a software and you really like it, you can reach out to them. Most of them nowadays have an affiliate program, and you can say that I would like to be an affiliate for your brand, and you can find a way to work with them. And on number 1, we have selling digital products. Digital products are great because you don't need to buy any physical products. You simply create them and sell them online. All you need is a computer and Wi-Fi connection. Digital products are a great way to make money with no money because there is no investment involved. You don't need to buy or invest on any physical product. There are tons of digital products that you can create and sell. You can create a course and teach someone how to do something. There is always something that you can teach, and there is always something that someone can learn from you. You may think, why would someone want to learn this from me? Or you might think that they already know this, but trust me, not everyone knows everything, and people are always looking to invest to learn new things. You can create PDF checklists or guide, you can create photo presets, you can create even coloring pages, tracker sheets, templates for social media, and so much more. Possibilities with digital products are endless, and the best part is that there is no limit to how much you can create and how much you can sell. For example, if you're selling a physical product, which may be a pair of eyelashes, then you have a limit to how much you can invest to get your inventory. You are limited to the number of pieces that you have stocked up, and then once you only sell them and make money and then reinvest that money to buy more inventory, then you can sell more. But with digital products, you simply create them with your computer, and you can create hundreds, thousands, or even more, how many ever you want, of designs, templates, or lessons, and simply upload them online or on a marketplace. And the best part is, when someone purchases your digital product, you don't even have to restock it or anything like that, because it's just simply online. If you're new to learning about digital products, then a great place for you to start would be Etsy. You can become an Etsy seller by creating and selling digital products on Etsy, and this can be a good passive income stream for you. You can create mandalas, habit trackers, motivational quotes. The options are endless. You need to create them for only once and upload them on Etsy, and that's it. You can sell how many ever copies you want. Your customers will get to download as soon as they purchase it, and most importantly, you will not have to deal with any sort of inventory. Digital Etsy stores usually do really well, but a tip that I would like to give is that make sure to upload a lot of designs. If you just upload 5 or 7 designs and have them on your shop and your listing, then that might not work out so well. I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and get started with your Etsy shop for digital products. The link for the video will be in the description box below. You can check that out. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.